Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
20 years of the Parnelli Awards. We revisit the 2-decade anniversary of the event industry's premier honors that spotlight the best people and companies in the world of live production. Check that out. This month's Showtime focuses on the top tours of the 2000s. Set your time capsule way back as we check out some of the biggest shows of the past 20 years. Our production profile looks at the Big Love concert, an inside look at a star-studded streaming concert to benefit out-of-work production crews sidelined by the pandemic. The installation spotlight checks out 3 recent church audio upgrade projects, all focused on sonic excellence and clarity of the spoken word. In our technology spotlight, we look into Lawo's next-gen versions of its successful MC236 series, offering more power, more I/O channels, and more compact surfaces, with IP flexibility. This month's road test checks out Sennheiser's new flagship high-performance dynamic MD435 and MD445 mics, with some surprising results. In the Digital Edge, Steve Lucera offers insider tips on optimizing the audio performance of your next Zoom session. A must-read.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.